Today, we will be testing a trend trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 534 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend trading strategy. And so the source video says I made 100% profit with this free premium indicator. Is this the future? And so right off, obviously, again, no indicator, no strategy is going to be 100% profitable. Now, the caveat here is how many trades did they test? How many trades did they take? If they only took one trade and it was one winning trade, then it could be a 100% profitable free premium indicator. But it doesn't really indicate how many trades they tested or how many trades they took. So right off, the source video is a little bit questionable. But nonetheless, we'll put the strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. So we'll just hide the two indicators we have on screen. Now, the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the magical momentum indicator. This one right here. And we will jump into the settings, and what we'll do is under the period, we'll change that to 21. And then everything else can stay on the default settings. Let's go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the DFT overlay. It's going to be this indicator right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll keep everything on the default settings. Now again, we got this giant replay time or watermark in the middle of the screen. Don't know why TradingView has done that recently, but again, super annoying. Just tends to be right in the way. But nonetheless, and so what we're looking for a long trade, so we're looking for when the DFT switches to a green cloud background like this. Here you can see it barely switches right there. And then we're going to look down to the magic momentum, and we want it to have a green background like this here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade here. We're going to put our stop just right below the DFT line, and we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. You can see this immediate, really nice spike to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we're looking for is when the DFT switches the cloud coloration from green to red. It's hard to see, but if you hover over this bar right here, you look at the coordinate numbers right above my mouse, you can see that when I'm hovering over the part that is green, and then switch back to the part that's red, you can see those number coordinates change the coloration. And so if I hover over this candle right here, you can see that it is red, showing that the cloud has switched to that red coloration. We're then going to look down to the magical momentum indicator, and we want it to have a red background like this here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade here. We want to put our stop just right above this pivot area since we're so close to the cloud, and we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And again, you can see this really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 32% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $13,600. That would have put your total profit and loss at negative $4,000. So again, definitely not 100% profitable over a reasonable number of trades. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 29 trades altogether with the Academy Forex Indicator. We had right at a 80% win rate and a total gain of $14,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end of the testing right there. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.